Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to be an artist on Spotify. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to be an artist on Spotify profile, the first thing you'll need to do is to create an artist profile. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in artists.spotify.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official webpage of Spotify for Artists. It is a free service platform provided by Spotify that allows you to claim your Spotify artist profile, become verified and access stats and tools to further your career. This platform is accessible for any artist with at least one song released on their platform. So once you end up in this page, click on Get Access at the top right hand corner and choose one of the options in the display. Click on Artist or Manager in today's video since we are creating an artist profile. Now, it says that if you already have a music on Spotify, you can get access to the stats by clicking on the Continue button. But if you've not added any kind of a music on Spotify, click on Music Not Yet Live on Spotify. But if you already have a music uploaded, you can click the Continue button. Now, it'll ask you if this is the account you are looking for. If yes, click on Next. If not, click on Change Account and look for the account that is right. On the next page, search for the artist or the Spotify artist URL you are trying to claim and click the artist profile that you are trying to use. But remember that in order to claim your profile, you must create an artist profile first. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.